Uninstall Malwarebytes Windows 10 right away. So hey guys, on this video I'll be teaching you how to uninstall Malwarebytes right here. So to leave no even a trace of malware. So I suggest if you want, most people does this. They type in your settings, then they put in the app, for example apps. They put in the they type in the apps. Apps they're gonna go to like apps and featured, then they're gonna find Malwarebytes right here. There you go, Malwarebytes, and they're gonna click on uninstall, which is that is good, also good. But most of the time I usually do this to make it very sure that my Malwarebyte is completely deleted. So all we need to do is open up our Malwarebytes and then type in don't open up our Malwarebytes, just click on the bottom left corner and then type in control panel. Press on control panel. So once your control panel has been now opened up, you will see right here just below programs, you will see uninstall a program. Press on uninstall a program. Easy as that. So once you're here, find the Malwarebytes. There we go. We need to find the Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes, where are you? There we go. Once you find it, press on it, right click on it, and then click uninstall slash change. Press on that, and just click on yes and okay. Then we go. And here we go. So here, it will uninstall Malwarebytes. So there you go. Yeah, no specific reasons. You can go to YouTube, but we're gonna click uninstall. Just click here, uninstall Malwarebytes, and submit and uninstall Malwarebytes. And then uninstall Malwarebytes, easy as that. So once you've done that, all you need to do is click on uninstall right here. Now we just have to wait for the countdown of the uninstall right there. So there, that's all we need to do. So easy as that, and there you go. As you can see, it's very fast when it's uninstalling. There you go. So there. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy it. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can type it down below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and then we're done. Click on done, and then there you go. Thank you, guys.